Sophias Chali urukomandant wa Nchangware Refugee Settlement nagira ngo kusharaho ubuhweze na President Trump bateganise munonga na munongo mukwere minyeto y'empunzi erukutura omunkambe ya Nchangware.
Constrained with funds, the executive order has affected us, but we call upon every other actors, local actors, international actors, to come on ground, to come on board, to support these people, especially now that we have the reduced food rations, cash rations, and where we need much is in livelihoods. If these skills are translated into livelihoods, then that's the way to go.
Chari nagumiza amagira ngo eminyeto neyetenga kubana n'ubukugomyoge etari emwe nemwe nabo ngo babase kugira icyo bayekora okwebisaho makagabo.
We have very many refugees so far in Nchangware. We have 150,000 refugees. So if a partner picks up this kind of number, it is a very big contribution to the government of Uganda.
Congratulate our graduates.
Ningependelea kabisa kuweza kupatia hongera hasa wenye kuhitimu wetu.
Once again on this remarkable achievement.
Hasa kwenye sikukuu hii kubwa yenye kuhitimu.
We are proud of you.
Tuna kabisa furahi kabisa kwa ajili yenu.
Orukwebembere minyeto y'empunjo mu kampe ya Nchangware nagira ngo bino buremezi bw'amani na munonga bwa nyuma yo kubasharaho ubuhwezo ku rugahedo.
Mbele ya kufika mu URDT nilikuwa na jikaza kufuga. Nilienda na nikejifunza sasa nijifunze jinsi ya kufuga ya kizungu. Nikejifunza hayo nikapata certificate. Nyuma nikaendelesha business yangu.
Shida ambayo vijana wanapata kwanza ni kukosa kazi. Hiyo ndio shida ya kwanza, ya. So pamoja na hiyo vijana wakati wanapata mafundisho, wakati wako skilled, wanapata ujuzi wa kazi ya mikono, so ni njia wapo mmoja wapo ya kuwasaidia wajifanyizie kazi zao wao wenyewe kama vile vijana.
Eminyeto rukumi runana chanana mukaga ni yetendekirwe na n'ekitongole kya URDT na n'obushagitsi okurwa mu kitongole kya Mastercard Foundation okumara emyaka 2 kandi hati nabo kumara emyaka 4 mu kampe ya Rwamwanja cyaka ya 2 Kiryandongo hamwe na Nchangware. Amakuru agagasha kwa Thomas Tumwebazi.